Inflation data came in today and it was pretty good. Inflation is flat. Now, the inflation data we got is PCE inflation data. This is the data that the Fed cares about the most. So it's the most impactful on our odds of getting multiple rate cuts this year. We want to see inflation be flat or go down. And we saw it basically be flat. So month over month, PCE inflation came in at growth of 0.3%, in line with expectations, and just ever so slightly worse than last month, which was 0.2%. And core month over month PCE inflation came in at 0.2%, in line with expectations and the same as the previous months. Now, year over year, PCE inflation came in at a growth of 2.7%, in line with expectations of 2.7%. And also slightly worse than the previous month's reading of what year-over-year inflation was at 2.6%. And then core PCE year-over-year inflation came in at 2.9% versus the expectations of 2.9%. And that was exactly the same as the previous months as well. So inflation, flat across the board for the most part, an ever so slight, tiny, itsy bitsy increase somewhere amongst the energy and food categories. So the Fed is still in a position to be able to cut in their next meeting in October and potentially cut again in their meeting after that, which would be the last one before the end of this year.